Mel here from the Customer Success team. I'm going to show you how to use templates for bug intake and triage. During an incident, conversations heat up as teams come together to find a solution. New agents need to resolve issues quickly to meet SLAs, but they often lack the institutional knowledge to do so effectively. That's where the bug tracking template comes in, your all-in-one solution for efficiently managing internal bug reports. This template simplifies how your team discusses and prioritizes bugs, ensuring that issues are resolved quickly and effectively. By bringing all bug-related communication into one central location, it boosts your team's coordination and accelerates the quality of your software development process. So I'll start off by navigating to the template library on my sidebar. Next, I'm going to select the bug intake and triage template down below. This template is a hub for reporting, tracking, and resolving bugs in your product. I'm going to select Use Template. Next, I will create a public, dedicated channel for tracking a bug for an internal outage. I'm going to name the channel Bugs-Outage and select Create. With just a click, I now have a dedicated channel, bringing together all the right people and information. Channel names follow standardized naming conventions, so teams are never lost looking for the information they need. From here, I will add all relevant people who will be helping resolve the bug. And just like that, I now have a channel. This channel is more than just a conversation. It's a dedicated hub for reporting, tracking, and eliminating bugs in your product. Features include real-time messaging for your team for seamless communication. Along with this channel, I also have a canvas built for collecting and centralizing all the vital details and data to help team members report bugs accurately and consistently. This instructional guide offers clear, step-by-step instructions on what information to include, such as screenshots, steps to reproduce the issue, and severity levels. By educating team members on how to create detailed and useful bug reports, this guide enhances the quality of submissions, leading to faster and more effective bug resolution. With the bug submission form workflow, this template helps make reporting issues a breeze. Team members can easily log bugs as they encounter them. This ensures that every bug is captured in real time and entered into the system for triage and resolution. By streamlining the bug reporting process, we save time and encourage prompt reporting, leading to quicker fixes and a more stable and reliable product. I can kick off the bug submission workflow by selecting Start Workflow and then searching for and selecting the channel, Bugs-Outage, Start Workflow. I will then fill out all of the required information for the workflow, including the summary, IT outage, severity, I'll list as high, and then details, I will write users unable to log into software, and then submit. Our bug tracking template features an automated bug tracker that instantly adds new issues as they're reported. This dynamic list acts as a live inventory of current problems, enabling team members to view reported bugs, track resolution progress, and prioritize tasks effectively. Plus, the template includes automatic weekly bug summaries and status change alerts, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks and every issue gets the attention it deserves. Now, the IT outage bug I logged via the workflow is documented on this list and can be reported and actioned on. And there you have it, a template that centralizes bug management that includes a guide for submission, a streamlined bug reporting workflow, and an automated list for bug tracking. Now you can spend your time working on the bug rather than the administrative burden of getting everything in place. No more starting from scratch.